Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in our previous video we have seen line breaks, how to remove the slash and line breaks from a string, and how to get a desired results based on our scenario. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can remove the unwanted HTML tags from a string. HTML tags can consist of break, or paragraph tag, or input tag, etc. Now let me create a scenario for that, and we'll see the regular expression and we'll see the desired result also. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So let me create a file. So file, I'll give HTML tags removal.js. So we can have multiple HTML tags. Based on that we can create a regular expression, but here I'll give our string. Let our string has Azhar Techno coder, and I'm giving break, and another channel I'm writing Wrestle talk by Azhar. Maybe this is the string you got from a website, or when you're reading a CSV file you got this string. So I want a result as a Techno coder, enter result talk by Azhar, because these two are different channels, YouTube channels. So for that, let me frame a regular expression. So I'll write var regex equal to, we can frame it accordingly. So I'll write slash break, I'll write br, I'll write another slash s, then I'll give open bracket close bracket. So in that I'll write slash gi. So this one you can easily go to a regular expression online. You can Google it and you can see what are the different things we are using, what is slashes, what is slash n, what is slash gi, etc. You can easily get to know. So this, let me write this as scenario 1. So in this scenario I want an output as console.log. So I want my regular expression. So I'll write str.replace. Here I want to replace my regular expression with slash n. What is my regular expression here? I'm just eradicating the br. So here I will have to close the bracket. So I'll write question mark and also greater than symbol and also star. So let me save this now. So now this is a perfect regular expression. So let me add this. So HTML tags removal, and then we got different channels. So let us see the scenario 2. So I want as a comma, not as a enter. So I can write here, let's say semicolon if you want. Semicolon. So I can get the both scenarios. So other Techno coder, semicolon Wrestle talk by Azhar. So this is the basic regular expression. So we can get more and more tags also. Based on that you can easily frame a regular expression. Hope you would have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, goodbye.